In this video we're going to design a simple project to our specifications and output the manufacturing files so we can build it. It's a short overview so you can see how simple and quick the process is. We've also got detailed videos on all of these steps elsewhere. So let's assume we've been to see a potential customer and we've got a design idea already in place. We've got sizes, we know the material we want to use and what hardware we're going to build it with. Let's click here and open up a new design in cabinet mode. The dimensions I want to use are already here. We could change them if we wanted to, and we've got a method selected. This manufacturing method is a pre-configured collection of styles we're going to apply to our project, including the materials, hardware and the panel construction we want. Let's go with this method we've got selected, which includes generic materials and minifix and dowel hardware. Now click OK. And we've got the start of our design. Click on this icon to view in 3D, and I'm going to right click and view both in the cabinet edit mode and in 3D. Please note I've added my own choice of textures to these generic materials. If you're following along, your materials will probably look a bit different. First of all, I want to add a plinth, so I'm going to create a space below the carcass of 100mm. Click on that. In our quick design toolbars, click on the plinth icon, and let's just have the plinth at the front, set back 50mm. I'm going to click on this volume and now add a fixed shelf. Distance from the bottom, let's set it at 700mm. Below that, let's put some drawers. Let's select 3 drawers, click OK. In this upper space, let's put a single upright right in the middle, so let's leave the position at 50%. On the right hand side I'm going to add a door. I should have a single door that opens to the right, and here in this space let's add some mobile shelves. Let's put 4 of those in. So that's our design finished. Let's say we're generally happy with the manufacturing method we selected at the start, but we actually want some new materials now. I'm just going to click into the 3D window, and up here select the material styles sub-method. So we've got a generic material selected. Instead of that, let's select this combination of EGA materials. Click OK and OK again. So all the materials in our project have updated automatically. Let's change their hardware as well. I'm going to view the 3D in wireframe and zoom in just on an element of the design so we can see the hardware more closely, and then click on the fittings sub-method which relates to hardware. We've got that minifix and dowel set up at the moment. Let's change it to a Hettish setup with Rafix VB36s. Click OK and apply it to our project. So you can see all the hardware has updated automatically throughout the model. We've got a large range of configurations for the materials, hardware, panel construction, everything else, but it can all be customized as you want it. Let's just right click and center that design and go back to the solid 3D view. Now we've got our design, we can output a 3D image and send that to our customer. I'll just close that now. Or if we get back into the cabinet editing mode over here, now let's click print preview and we can see our workshop document. Here we've got the cut list of all our parts, a cost summary of all the material and hardware we've used so we can get accurate quotes out quickly, and we've got a plan of each and every part. We can also output part by part CNC files to run your machine. So as you can see, you can design then get your manufacturing output very quickly. Now if your customer decides on a last minute change, that's easy to accommodate too. We can resize the whole model. Let's change the width to 800mm. And every part is updated, including the position of the hardware. We could change this door to shelves, we could change these drawers to a double door. For now, let's say we just want some extra partitions in this shelving area here. I'm going to add 2 uprights. Same again. This whole process is very fast to do. You can do it with your customer if you want, and immediately all the output will be updated, the cut list plans and the CNC files. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.